If you want the fastest way to log into TikTok without typing your password, this video will show you exactly how to do it using a simple QR code. It works on both iPhone and Android, and the whole process only takes a few seconds. So I'm currently on the desktop version of the TikTok app, and let's click on the Login button located at the left side. You're going to get a bunch of different ways on how you can log into the TikTok app, and we'll select the QR code option. After this step, you'll need to open your TikTok app on either your iPhone or your Android phone, hop over to your TikTok profile, and then click the three horizontal lines located at the top right corner. This side menu will appear where you'll want to click on your QR code, then tap the little scan icon, which is also at the top right corner. What you then need to do is to simply scan the QR code, which we have opened on our desktop, and just confirm the login on your mobile phone, and that's essentially it. These are the steps of logging into your TikTok account using a QR code. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you soon.